Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Corsair MP600 NVMe PCIe Gen.4 M.2 500GB SSD. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice retail box. I'm going to be using this as the main hard drive in my new computer build, so stay tuned for the full review of this hard drive in that video where we'll actually get it installed and we will run some tests on it for you. In this video, we're just going to look at all the package contents that you get and the product up close and in more detail. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have important safety information, followed by our user guide and manual complete with full setup instructions for you, walking you through step by step how to secure the drive to your motherboard. Then last but not least, we have the drive itself right here. So go ahead, check it out. Corsair MP600 Gen.4 PCIe right there on the heatsink for you. We can look at it from all the sides and angles. Looks really nice, really cool. In case you're wondering, the heatsink is removable. So just lift all four of those tabs and it'll slide right out. So now you can see the heatsink comes apart in two pieces, and then we have the drive itself right here. So you can see that in more detail. Now we'll flip it around to the other side for you as well. And then we can look at the bottom side of the heatsink right here. And you can see the carrier tray as well. So we have three total pieces, including the SSD right here, that can be installed without the heatsink if you have a motherboard that already has a heatsink for your M.2 slot. Well, that concludes my unboxing video of the Corsair MP600. Stay tuned for my computer build, where we'll set this up as the primary drive for Windows 10 and we'll run some speeds on it to see what we get in the real world. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.